are pretty dry. It's blowing right across. Just an amazing view of the sun. We got some sundogs going here. But yeah, we're clearly in a blizzard. Just taking my time here. I gotta go get medicine for my daughter and my wife. They pulled the plows earlier today, so if I start hitting any sort of big snow drifts or anything, it's going to be pretty rough. I'm not going to risk it too much. If it's too bad, I'm going to turn around and go back home. See right here, we got a finger drift forming right there. Just going to watch out for those. Yeah, the camera really doesn't do justice, other than these sundogs that we're getting, because we got a total ground blizzard coming here. But yeah, see any cool stuff on the way, we'll take a picture. Alright, it's getting a little rough here. Alright, we got somebody up here with their hazards on. We're just going to take our time here. Visibility's a little lower. Yeah, there's quite a few finger drifts, but they're not too big. And if I go slow, I'll go right through them, no problem. But God, that sun is just beautiful, isn't it? Alright, well, I'm going to keep driving here. These are those finger drifts I was talking about. There's like little fingers that go across the road. You know, if they're too big and you hit them going 60, you're going to have a bad day. You don't want to get stuck out here. You definitely want to drive carefully. Nice and slow behind them.